Hello Smart Minds! We have learned to add 1 directly, applying 5's complements, add 5 less 4, applying 10's complements, add 10 less 9, and also applying mixed complements. We can use the same formula in a slightly different ways to subtract 1. And it's very simple. You don't need to memorize by heart. You have to remember logically to apply and practice well to calculate faster. Small friend's formula to add 1 is plus 5 minus 4 and less 1 is minus 5 plus 4. Big friend's formula to add 1 is plus 10 minus 9 and to less 1 the formula is minus 10 plus 9. Let's solve some problems applying formulas of less 1. Add 5, then less 1. As no bits are added, we cannot less 1. We can add 1, but we cannot less 1 directly. Here we will apply 5's complements to less 1. Less 5, add 4. Then add 21. We can add 20 on 10's place because value of each lower bit on 10's place is 10, 10 and 10, 20 and 1 on 1's place. As it's not possible to add 1 directly, we will apply 5's complements. Add 5 less 4 to add 1. Minus 15 to less 15, we will less 10 from 10's place and less 5 from 1's place. Value of upper bit on 1's place is 5 plus 20. Add 20 on 10's place, 10 and 10, 20 minus 11. To less 11, you have to less 1 from 10's place, that means 10 from 10's place and 1 from 1's place. We cannot less 1 directly, we cannot apply 5's complements. Here we will apply 10's complements to less 1. Less 10 and add 9. 5 and 4. 9. Value of bits is 10 and 9. Final answer is 19. Zoom the abacus this way. Let's solve another one. Add 25. Add 20 on 10's place, 5 on 1's place. 25. Now less 11. Less 1 from 10's place, that means less 10 from 10's place. Less 1 from 1's place. As we cannot less 1 directly, we will apply 5's complements. Less 5 and add 4. Then add 51. Value of upper bit on 10's place is 50. 50 and 1. It's not possible to add 1 directly. We will apply 5's complements to add 1. Add 5 less 4. Then less 15. Less 10 from 10's place. Less 5 from 1's place. Then less 10. This is 10's place. We need to less 10 from 10's place. We can add 10 but we cannot less 10. Here we will apply the same formula we use to less 1. Less 5. Add 4 to less 1. As it is 10's place, actually we less 50 and add 40 to less 10. Now add 10. Can you add 10 directly? No, it's not possible to add 10. So here we will apply the formula that we use to add 1. Add 5 less 4. As it is 10's place, actually we add 50 and less 40 to add 10. Value of bit is 50, so final answer is 50. Now we will solve some problems with 3-digit numbers. Add 555. This is our home point or 1's place. Next to 1's place is 10's place. Next to 10's place is 100's place. Value of upper bit on 100's place is 500. Value of upper bit on 10's place is 50. And value of upper bit on 1's place is 5. 555 minus 111. We have to less 1 from 100's place, but it's not possible to less 1 directly. We will apply the formula to less 1. Less 5, add 4. Less 1 on 10's place. Less 5, add 4. Less 1 from 1's place. Less 5, add 4. Actually, on 10's place, we less 500 and add 400, and on 10's place, we less 50 and add 40, and on 1's place, we less 5 and add 4. This way, we less 111. Now we will add 111. It's not possible to add 111 directly. We will apply the same formula that we use to add 1. Add 5 less 4 on hundreds place. Add 5 less 4 on tens place. Add 5 less 4 on ones place. Actually, we add 500 and less 400 on tens place. Add 50 and less 40 on tens place. Add 5 and less 4 on ones place. Now we will less 11. We need to less 1 from tens place by applying formula. Less 5, add 4. That means we less 50 and add 40 to less 10. On ones place, less 5 and add 4 to less 1. In this way, we less 11. Now we will add 10. On tens place, add 5, less 4. That means add 50. Less 40. Now less 11. To less 11, we will less 5 and add 4 on tens place. Less 1 from ones place directly. Final answer is 543. Zoom the abacus this way. Let's solve one more problem. 435. This is hundreds place. Value of each lower bit is 100. So 400, this is tens place, 30, this is ones place, 5. 435. Now add 164. We need to add 1 on hundreds place by applying formula. Add 5 less 4. Then add 6 on tens place. Bits are pretty available. To add 6 on tens place, 5 and 1, 6, and add 4 on ones place. Now add 111. Bits are available. 100. To add 1 on tens place, we will apply big friends formula. Add 10 less 9. And to add 1 on ones place, we will apply the same formula. Add 10 less 9. Now less 110. Less 100 and less 10. 1, 0. 10. Now less 11. This is tens place. You need to less 1 from here. But it's not possible to less 1 directly and we cannot apply small friends formula. Here we will apply big friends formula. Less 10, add 9. Less 10, add 9. On ones place, the same formula. Less 10, add 9. Value of bits is 589. Final answer is 589. Zoom the abacus this way. I hope you have learned many tricks from this lesson. We are coming back soon with exciting new tricks. Stay with us by doing like, share and subscribe to Zippy Learning. Thank you.